Improving video quality has never been easier, thanks to cutting-edge AI tools like Topaz Video Enhance AI. This innovative platform helps you upscale low-resolution videos, remove noise, and enhance details with just a few clicks. Whether you're restoring old footage or refining a recent project, here's how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Download and install Topaz Video Enhance AI. Start by visiting Topaz Labs and downloading the Video Enhance AI software. Install it on your computer and launch the application to get started. Step 2. Import your video. Once the software is open, click the Browse button to upload the video you want to enhance. Topaz Video Enhance AI supports various file formats, so you can work with most types of video files. Step 3. Choose an AI model. Topaz offers several AI models designed for different purposes. For example, you can use the Artemis model to upscale video resolution or the Dione model to improve older grainy footage. Select the one that best fits your needs. Step 4. Adjust the settings. Customize the enhancement settings to your preference. You can increase the resolution up to 8K, reduce noise, sharpen details, and correct color issues. The intuitive sliders make it easy to fine-tune your video. Step 5. Process and save. Once everything looks perfect, click the Export button to process the video. The AI will analyze and enhance the entire video frame by frame. Save the output in your desired format and resolution. Using Topaz Video Enhance AI is a game changer for improving video quality. Try it today and transform your footage into a visual masterpiece. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.